Hello guys, welcome back. This is KS for After Effects tutorial channel, and now time to Element 3D part 3. What about the part 1 and 2? There is about Element 3D part 1 and there is part 2 class 2. So let's start. Go to After Effects, create a new project and create a new composition and name it Element 3D part 3. Enter. Okay, what is new in part 3 tutorial? How to import 3D model from another 3D application in Element 3D. I have 3ds Max, and there is a simple 3D model, red ball can model. Okay, there is two model about drops, and there is about can model, and there is material. Select all of them and go to file, export, desktop, and select the format OBJ and name it here can model. Press enter and select the faces quads. Export. Done. No matter which application you use, you can export OBJ from Maya, Blender, Cinema 4D, and minimize and go to After Effects, create a new solid and name it Element 3D. Enter and go to Effects, Video Copilot, Element 3D. Okay, now go to Effects, Control, and Scene Setup. Then import your model. Go to Import. There is the model, and there I have all materials, and in desktop too all materials. Materials mean close this one. There is about materials, OBJ material. Go to After Effects, Scene Setup, and then import your model into Element 3D. Select PVC can model, press OK, OK. There's can model. Okay. Zoom in. There we have three objects or layer. The first layer is about water drops. Another layer is about can model, and there is about texture. Select the can model and go to physical, drop this one and drop on materials and go to texture, select load texture from desktop, press OK, OK. And now go to basic setting, change the color white and change this one to dark. Okay, now there is about reflection, how much reflection you need, and change the light 360. After this, select the layer of water drops and go to Pro Shaders. There is organic, plastics, a lot of materials. So you can use water drops, ice wall, milk, orange soda, and gummy. Use the glass. And now select this layer, go to setting and change it to water. Press OK. Before pressing OK, go to create a new plan. Scale up the size and move it down here and drop down, select the second group of element 3D, and now create a new camera. 24, press OK, select element 3D, go to group 2, particle look, scale up the size and orbit your camera, zoom in, move down the camera, then attach the group to bottom of the can model. Press shift for fast moving, control for slow moving. And now create a new solid, name it background, and select a different background. Press OK, drop it down and select element 3D, go to scene setup and then select the plan layer, go to setting, turn on the matte shadow, press OK, and then go back to render setting, ambient occlusion, turn on. There is the shadow. Change the intensity, change the sample 64, 128, 256. So zoom in. Okay, change the light direction, select cinema or additional lighting, rotation, and then change the liquid color, energy drink, go back to scene setup, select a different material for the drops, cola, what about this, or what about this, this one is good, press OK. One thing more very important, this reflection is very simple. Change the environment background, select this one, press OK. This one is good, and then zoom out, select one thing more, there is all package, select the motion design, if there is a liquids, and there is different liquids. What about this? Drop the model and select the third and then rotate and select the material, this one is not bad, and reflection, And then what about add screen? So press OK. This one is good, but turn off from setting, blend mode, change back normal, and then go to group 3, move it up like this. There is top, camera top, and move it. Where is the group 3? There is the group 3. Move here and here. Okay, that's good. Change the camera position back to normal, and add this one and go back to group 1, rotation. Yeah, that is good. Zoom in. That's good. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This was about Element 3D part 3. Don't forget about part 4 of Element 3D coming soon. Like and subscribe the channel. See you next